Welcome back to Cross-Source Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, in today's video we'll be talking about median of group data part 2, where we'll be talking about continuous data. So this is the part 2 of this video. If you have not seen the part 1, do well to watch that. Alright, now in the last video I talked about the discontinuous data. Now I'm going to be talking about the continuous data now. What do we mean by continuous data? What we mean by continuous data means, you can see here, if you look at the last example we did, you can see that there is a disconnection. You can see here now, this is 60 to 65. The next one is from what? 65 to what? To 70. And the next one is from 70 again to 75. So you want to find what? The median. Now to calculate the median here. Okay. So to calculate the median here now is actually very much simpler than the first one we did. So now here the solution. So you have your class interval. So we have 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and then we have 70 to 75, 75 to 80, then 80 to 85. Now, because this is a continuous data, do you understand? Because it is continuous, you can see 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75. It is already continuous. You don't need class boundary. No need. No what? No need for class boundary. No need for what? For class boundary. I get what I'm saying now. There is no need for what? For class boundary. Alright. So you just need your frequency now. So your frequency is 4, 11, 18, 14, and 3. Do you see that now? That is all you need. Then your cumulative frequency, of course, cumulative frequency. So remember your cumulative frequency: 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 11, 15, 11 plus 18, 33, 33 plus 14 is 47, and 47 rather, 47. And 47 plus 3 is what? Is 50. Now you know I told you that it must be the same thing as this total here. So let's confirm. 4 plus 11 is 15. 15 plus 13 plus 18 is 33. 33 plus 14 is 47. 47 plus 3 is what? 50. You can see that here and here are the same thing now. That means I'm correct. Alright. So now let's go there. Now don't forget your formula is what? L plus, open a bracket, n over 2 minus CF over, let me say something here so that there will not be any confusion. This is cumulative frequency. Alright, okay, so this CF and then this is F, then close the bracket, multiply by what? Your H. I seen that, and I told you that the first thing you must do is n over what? Over 2. What is your n here? Your n is 50. So 50 divided by what? By 2. That will give us what? 25. Then you now come back to your cumulative frequency. Can you get 25 here? No. Can you get 25 here? No. Can you get 25 here? Yes. So that means this is your median class. Do you see that now? That is our median class. So we already have our median class now. Now let's continue our calculation. So our L now, our L, the lower class of the median class, lower boundary of the median class, that's 70. Do you see that now? That's 70. Then the CF, cumulative frequency before the median, that's what? That's 15. Are you seeing that now? Then what's it called? the frequency of the median. Frequency of the median. Frequency of the median. That's what 18. I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. This 18 here. So that's how I got that. This cumulative frequency before the median class. That's 15. Alright. So then we need our H now, which is what you just say 75 minus 70. That's what 5. Do you understand that now? So that is how we do that. All right, so let's finish it up, putting it into our formula, which is our formula is what L plus open bracket n over 2 minus CF divided by F, then multiply by what your H. Do you see that now? So that's gonna give you L is what 70 minus plus rather open bracket your n over 2, this is n over 2, 25, minus your F which is CF rather, CF which is 15, then over what, over 18 which is your F, then multiply by what, by 5. You see that now? So this is gonna give us 70 plus, so that's 70 plus 25 minus 15 is 10 over 18, then multiply by 5. Do you see that now? So this is gonna give us that will give us 70 plus, multiply this together, that's 50 over what, over 18. You see that now? 50 over 18, and that will give us 70 plus 50 divided by 18. That should give us 50 divided by 18. Let's do that together. 50 divided by 18, so that's 2.77. 2.7777, so that's 2.78 approximately. Do you see that now? 2.78 approximately, and if you add that together, you are going to have 72.78. Do you see that now? So that means the answer is 72.78. so that's the what, that's the median for this example. Do you understand that now? So that's the median for that what, example. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. All right, feel free to let me know. Okay, so let me give you an assignment, as I have always done. Let me give you an assignment for you to try on this particular one. Okay, so you can try this. Let me give you a very simple one. Okay, so you have age and then the frequency. So you have age and the frequency. You have 0 to 10, 10 to 20. You can see it is continuous. Then we have 20 to 30, and then we have 30 to 40. So this is 5, this is 25, this is 60, and this is 18. All right, so find the what, the median. I get me now? Find the what, the median. So the median, the answer you should get should be 24. Your final answer for your median should be what, 24. So do that and tell me the answer in the comments section. All right, for Godson students, submit to the right authority. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, this is on continuous data, and for continuous data you don't need class boundary. All right, so you must first check, is my data continuous or discontinuous? Once you do that, you are good to go. So in the next video, we'll be talking about the mode of group data. Is that okay? So thank you very much for watching. Bye.